students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, divide p of x is equals to 3x square plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by g of x, which is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1, and find the quotient and remainder. So we will use our long division method. We will divide 3x square, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 with x square plus 2x plus 1. So in long division method, we are supposed to eliminate terms one by one. So first, to eliminate 3x square, we will multiply this term with 3x. So 3x into x square will become 3x cube. So yes, 3x cube. Yes, it got eliminated. Correct. Now this will multiply with x term as well. So 3 into 2, 6, and x into x, x square. So plus 6x square, negative, and 3x will multiply with 1, we will get 3x and negative. So x square minus 6x square will be minus of 5x square, and 2x minus 3x will be minus x, and this 5 will come as it is. Correct. Now we are supposed to eliminate this minus 5x square, and here we have x square. So if we will multiply this x square with minus 5, we will get minus of 5x square. Correct. And this term will also get eliminated. Now this minus 5 will multiply with 2x, so it will become minus 10x, and plus, so minus x plus 10x will be 9x. Now this minus 5 will get multiplied with plus 1, so we will get minus 5, and we'll change the sign. So 5 plus 5 will become 10. So our quotient q of x is 3x minus 5 is 3x minus 5, and our remainder r of x is 9x plus 10. So these are our final answers. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.